YouTube, what's going on, guys? Patch here. Hope guys are having a fantastic day. Today I want to talk about the biggest opportunity that I see coming in the cryptocurrency market over the next few months. I don't think we've seen anything yet this year. It's only been the very beginning. I think we're going to see some crazy shit. So I want to get started. I want to talk to you guys about what I'm looking forward to. I want to talk to you guys about the money-making opportunities because no more messing around. There's going to be big money to be made in this market. You guys know, you've heard it before, but trust me when I tell you, there's going to be insane opportunities coming. So make sure you guys stay tuned to watch this video all the way until the end. Before we get started with that though, you guys know, as always, if you guys want to see every single one of the trades that myself and my expert team are entering in real time, as soon as we enter those trades, check out the first link down below in the description. We'll show you every single one of our altcoin trades, every single one of our leverage trades. You'll join the #1 community in the cryptocurrency space. But most importantly, it is free for 14 days. So for 2 weeks after you sign up, we'll show you every trade. We're not going to hide anything from you. We're pulling back the curtain, giving you the behind the scenes of everything going on with legitimate, professional, long-term, profitable traders, right? Nobody else does this online. Most people lie. Most people don't show you their trades. I want to show you guys everything. So if you guys are interested in that, check that out, link down below. And also, second link in the description is Bybit, the exchange I use for my leverage trades, which allows me to make even more profit by leveraging. If you know what you're doing, it is one of the best platforms out there. It's one of the best exchanges, one of the best ways to make more money. And if you are a beginner, there's going to be the third link down below that is a tutorial video showing you everything going on. But let's dive into the opportunities. Let's dive into everything going on, covering first a few of the altcoins before we dive into that Bitcoin and Ethereum analysis to kind of get an idea of where it's headed. Let's go into XRP first. My favorite crypto, one of my favorite cryptos, let's say. The first one I ever got into, you guys heard the story. I got in at like 11, 10, 9 cents. I don't even remember what it was. Way back when. Or before, it was like early 2017. I got in early. I sold it at $3 during the run-up. It was the biggest, I mean, at the time, I was just starting out a couple of businesses, nowhere near where I'm at today. It was insane. It was life-changing. Opened up my eyes to see everything going on. But XRP recently had a huge pump up to 75 cents. Now, I'm going to tell you guys, I have a pretty good feeling that this was a coordinated pump and dump. Now, the reason I say this in not an upset mood, you guys know I made a video. I bought XRP all the way back, around this area when XRP was falling. Everybody, the lawsuit happened. Might have been over here. No, I think it was early. I think it was over here. But I bought XRP when everybody else was selling. It was like 18 cents, 17 cents. I made a video saying, am I crazy? I'm going to buy XRP. I bought XRP. Obviously, during this, I was able to take some profits. Hopefully, you guys were able to do the same if you guys watched the video. But the idea here was XRP, every time it enters a low level, every time it's in that 25 cents, 20 cents, 15 cents, like those different levels, I am always looking to pick up XRP because if you look at the long term, everything that's always happened with XRP is it'll get to these levels, it'll have a pump, right? Then it'll come back down, it'll get to these levels, and it'll have a pump. And the idea here, I told you guys, money-making opportunities here, the whole purpose is to, when I buy here, right, and we sell, it doesn't have to be the tippy top, maybe we sell here, maybe we sell here, whatever it is. When we sell at this range, when it comes back down, we can buy more XRP than we had at this range, right? So now we got more XRP, and then XRP moves, and we sell XRP again. Next time it comes back down, we can buy even more XRP, and that cycle going over and over again. And the reason why I'm not upset at all if this was or wasn't a coordinated pump, I'm pretty sure it was a coordinated pump by a group of whales, a group of people. That wouldn't surprise me whatsoever. The reason why I'm not upset about it is because we're seeing this happen with a lot of different altcoins. And the reason for that is because altcoin season is starting to bubble up. It's starting to get that excitement. People, you saw all the stuff going on with GameStop. That was incredible in the stock market. What I expected to happen, what we saw happen was people started, buying up GameStop and started to pump the price. All of a sudden you realize they got regulators. These guys can suppress you from buying the stock if they want to. It's not a free market. Anybody that thought it was a free market, delusional. Not a free market whatsoever. These guys make you sign a waiver when you sign up saying that at any time we can tell you guys, we don't want you to buy this anymore. You can only sell it. They dump the stock. It's as simple as that. So not a free market. We saw that happen. Then a lot of people started to get pissed off at that and started to shift over to cryptos. And we started to see a lot of cryptos all of a sudden start to have some crazy movements. And if you were in some altcoins, some of your favorite altcoins, maybe some altcoins you've been in, some of them might have seen some ridiculous ridiculous pumps, including one of the all-time favorites. And I'm going to show you guys why it's similar to XRP, Dogecoin. Dogecoin, no real value that I know of. Other than the fact that it's funny and it's got a dog face as the meme, it has no real value whatsoever. It pumped from, in its BTC pair, on the USD, it was like, it went up to 7 cents, I think it was. On the BTC, I mean, it was at like 25 Satoshis. It went up to like 250 Satoshis. Like, that's stupid. And some okay, so I swore I had to demonetize, that's gonna demonetize the video. I had to edit that. But some son of a is making a lot of money doing these type of pumps. And buying it over here like most people did, you're going to end up holding the bag. The idea with altcoin season is finding altcoins that are cheap, finding altcoins that are reaching their low levels and they're sort of stabilizing, finding good altcoins that are doing that preferably, right? Find the ones you like. XRP when it reaches those low levels, Cardano if it reaches those low levels. Like, find the ones you like that are reaching those low levels, buy them at that range, and then once they see those moves, because altcoin season sees these type of crazy shit going on all the time, then you look to sell. This is the beginning of altcoin season. It hasn't been confirmed yet. There's still a lot we can see happen, but if this continues, this is one of the biggest opportunities to make money in the crypto market. With altcoins, they're going to start pumping. Don't FOMO into it. Don't do anything stupid. Buy low, sell high. If it's already high, don't buy it. Find the good altcoins, buy low, sell high. Really simple fundamentals. If it doesn't fit those three things, if you're not able to buy low, if it's not a good altcoin, if it's not one that you understand and you like, don't get into it. Really, it's as simple as that. And even following these principles, don't FOMO all that. There's still going to be stupid opportunities in this market. If I zoom out to Doge, this is a bad chart for Doge. Let's see if we can find another one. Bittrex. Look at how Dogecoin works. Dogecoin over and over again will drop down to a certain level and then it'll pump. And then it'll drop down to a certain level and then it'll pump. It'll drop down to a certain level and then it's gonna pump. Like, imagine, right? And I kick myself all the time for not taking advantage of all of these because it's the most predictable thing in the world. There were two levels, right? There were two levels for Doge. You either buy Doge around here, right? And you can see all the different touches it had. Or if it dropped below, you buy Doge in a range between here and then maybe even a little bit lower when it saw these wicks. But every time, if you were able to buy at both of these levels, you know, either you bought here, dollar cost average here, look at the pump, right? Then you bought here, look at the pump. Then you bought here, look at the pump. Identify these trends, they could play in your favor. Obviously, this happened. This was one of the biggest pumps, the biggest pump, it looks like. It happened because of Elon Musk was involved. Wall Street Bets was involved. A lot of different things were involved to make this pump happen. But even without them, Doge still saw a pump not too long ago. And before that, Doge saw a pump. And before that, Doge saw a pump. Now, I'm not saying buy Doge. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you guys to do that. Just look out for altcoins that are going to be doing these type of moves. Now, really quick, Bitcoin also saw something crazy happen with this wick come in. Sort of a manipulated wick because of all the hype and everybody talking about it. Sort of broke away from the technicals, but it fell right back into the technicals where we have this clear resistance line that has touched multiple times with this exception of one, sort of wicks at this point, right? And it came right back down into that range. Still finding resistance here, still have support at the bottom, waiting to see what happens. Watch out for Bitcoin breaking below. If it does, $28,000 to $26,000 range. Right here, I'm going to be buying, just giving you guys complete transparency, I will buy Bitcoin at this level. If it drops, if it doesn't, I'm not going to buy it at that level, obviously, but if it does drop there, I'm going to be buying it at that level. Super straightforward. When it goes back up, it's going to be insane. Now, watch out also for if people do jump into Bitcoin because they're leaving the stock market because of everything going on, the younger people who come in and just throw money around, Bitcoin could spike. Altcoins are going to spike. Bitcoin could spike to incredible levels very fast. And it could dump just as fast, right? Just like we're seeing happen in the stock market. So watch out for these crazy wicks. If a load of people join in because of the stock market, it's gonna be pretty volatile. A ton of money making opportunities. Watch out for that, but also time to be careful because it could get really risky. And Ethereum also trading here. Now there's two levels of support here. Actually, I could draw. We have this one obviously that we drew. If I were to just copy and paste this and move it around here, you can see sort of another level of support where it's had multiple touches. If it breaks here, we have the next level of support here, but we saw a clear trend where we have a lot of sort of touches in this area as well. So watching out for that. Currently here, potentially a good long opportunity to try and catch that move up. We also have a horizontal resistance, just quickly outlining to you guys over here where we've had 3 touches on the resistance as well. So if it does manage to maintain in this sort of pattern going up and down like this, it's going to have to make a move eventually. It's going to probably break up or down. My prediction would be up. Still, my prediction means nothing. That doesn't mean I'm going to enter a long right now. We're going to have to wait and see what happens with Ethereum. But a lot of stuff moving, waiting for a breakout. Bitcoin moving in its pattern, also nearing a breakout. Ethereum moving in its pattern, also nearing a breakout. Altcoins are doing some crazy shit now. A ton of opportunity to make money in this market. I want you guys to capitalize on it. Whether it's in our group, whether it's not, watch out for these. Watch out for these moves. And if you guys want to claim up to 4 free stocks on Webull, it's going to be a link down below to Webull as well. They have cryptos as well as stocks, options, and ETFs. Basically, they'll give you 4 free stocks valued up to $3,600 if you open a brokerage account, which is free, and deposit $100. So all you have to do, within a few days, they'll give you 4 free stocks. You can claim those stocks, sell them, buy Bitcoin, sell them, buy GME, buy BlackBerry, whatever it is that's going crazy. You can go ahead, and it's basically free money that you can buy stocks with. Or you can buy whatever you want with on there. They're giving it for free, up to $3,600 you can get from these stocks. Definitely worth checking out the free money. But guys, that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below letting me know your thoughts, and take advantage of the opportunity. It doesn't happen all the time. It comes around, altcoin season last time lasted a couple of months. It doesn't last forever. We go into a bear market, then we wait, then we see another cycle. And just like the stock market, if you can capitalize on buying low like we saw in February, by now, just a year later, you would have made a shit ton of money. Stocks-wise, you would have made a shit ton of money. Stocks don't do that very often. And if you buy now, it's a little high. You're probably not going to see that type of return over the next 12 months. That's just the truth of it. Buy it at the right time. Take advantage of the opportunities. Do this every cycle. Watch what happens 30 years down the line. Shit compounds. You're worth a lot more money if you are able to capture these cycles. So watch out for that. Like I said, leave the video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you guys aren't new, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday for another video.